Vivo Pad 5e just dropped yesterday, and it's already making waves. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. It comes with a smooth 144Hz refresh rate and Proval color calibration, so whether you're sketching, binge-watching your favorite series, or gaming for hours, the visuals look stunningly immersive and premium. Vivo didn't forget about eye comfort either. The Pad 5e packs a full-scale eye protection system. It supports global DC dimming to reduce flicker, adjusts automatically to your surroundings with ambient color temperature, and features anti-fatigue brightness adjustment 2.0 along with a paper-like color mode that's super comfortable for reading. This setup helps reduce eye strain and fatigue during long screen sessions. If you're someone who loves reading or taking notes, there's also a soft light screen version that gives an even better paper-like experience. Now about the processor. When I first saw the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 inside, I was a bit surprised. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite already out, I wondered if this chip could still keep up, especially with today's massive graphics-heavy games. So, I decided to test it right away. I fired up Genshin Impact for a 30-minute high-quality gaming session. The results? It held a stable 60 FPS average and the temperature only hit 37 degrees Celsius, cooler than most phones during heavy gameplay. Performance and heat management clearly aren't an issue. Plus, Vivo added its game super resolution and high frame rate adaptation tech from its flagship phones. So in games like Honor of Kings, PUBG Mobile, or Genshin Impact, you can enable 2K game super resolution to boost detail clarity. And with over 30 games already supporting 144Hz high frame rates, especially shooters and racing titles, you'll definitely feel that competitive edge. But hey, the Vivo Pad 5e isn't just for gamers. It's a serious productivity partner too. You can pair it with the Vivo Pencil 3 and the Smart Touch Keyboard 5, perfect for note-taking, editing PPTs, or writing reports. It even supports PC-level WPS Office with the same functional layout as your desktop version. The keyboard offers 1.3 millimeters of key travel, giving you a typing feel that's close to a laptop, and the whole setup weighs just a few hundred grams, way lighter and more portable than a typical notebook. Vivo also revamped how the Pad 5e connects with other devices. It syncs effortlessly with Vivo smartphones for communication, sharing, and screen mirroring, and it can even link with Mac computers. You can access computer files remotely or use the tablet as an extended display for your PC. Pretty convenient for multitasking. As for the rest of the specs, the Pad 5e holds its own. It features a long-lasting battery, 44-watt fast charging, Bluetooth 5.4, and a 4-speaker panoramic sound system for immersive audio. For its price, this all-rounder offers a solid experience. The only small downside? It still runs on Origin OS 5, so some of the visual upgrades from Origin OS 6 aren't available yet. Vivo markets the Pad 5e mainly as a learning-focused tablet, but in reality, its screen quality and software flexibility make it a capable, all-purpose device, ideal for studying, light office work, or everyday entertainment. That wraps up this video. The Vivo Pad 5e starts at 1999 yuan in China, which converts to roughly £212 in the UK or around $281 in the US. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.